Hello everybody, Adam from XLaser here. Welcome to another episode of QBuilder. Today we're going to be working on something that is a go-to for a lot of people's toolkit when it comes to lasers, hot beam effects. Hot beam effects, they're great when you've got minimal haze or you've got competing lighting because they really stand out among background lights. So in order to go here, what we're going to do is locate my fixture. And I'm going to pick a Gobo that I like for this. We're going to go to our beams page. And then I want something sort of starbursty this time. Let's see. Yeah, that'll work. I like that little grid. Okay, first thing we're going to do is give this a bit of motion. So I'm going to come in here to wave effects, and the best way to quickly and easily make sort of an explosive sort of effect like you're going to want for hot beams is to create a radial ramp or radial sign. In this case I'm going to do a radial sign so it's a little bit smoother. We're going to give it a traverse speed and an amplitude. Make it a nice big amplitude. And then I'm going to give it a wave just to sort of break up that movement a bit. And there we go. We've got our quick basic hot beams effect. One thing I can do is come out here, and usually with this kind of effect, this is the kind of thing that you would flash in real quick. Just, you know, a quarter beat, an eighth beat kind of thing. And then you would just go ahead and do a basic color override. And, you know, you just have it be your green hot beams, your blue hot beams, your orange hot beams, that kind of stuff. Just quick and dirty. In this case, what I'm going to do is actually leave it down at white. And I'm going to do I'm going to do radial bands, which is those concentric circles I've been talking about in a couple of the other QBuilders. And I'm going to do the same thing here that I did for our Fireflies video, except this is a lot less calm than the Fireflies video. I'm going to do low intensity for some of those in the bands. And I'm going to do a fade width of basically nothing, so it's hard on, hard off. Size 1 will go, and size 2. And there we go. Now we've got this cool little hot beam flash effect. As a matter of fact, I'll go ahead and record that. So now when I clear, I can just flash it. And I get that dynamic exploding hot beam effect whenever I flash. If I want to add a little bit of movement to it so that it's in a different position every time, I'll come in here into Effect 1, and I'll just give it a basic elliptical orbit with a good bit of size and some speed. Okay. I'll record that cue over my old one. Clear out the programmer. So now I can go ahead and just flash that on. And I've got that dynamic hot beam effect in somewhere sort of random every time I hit the flash button. I hope you enjoyed this episode of QBuilder. If you've made awesome hot beam effects that you're using in your shows, go ahead and send them to us. I'd love to check out your videos, check out the content you guys are making. We'll share it. We'll go ahead and send you some free stuff as a thank you.